we were able to get here through a P2P bus. Ang ginamit namin is yung sa Tri Noma. So every 2 hours merong schedule ng bus. We took the last bus schedule, which is 11 PM, kasi ang flight namin is 6:30 in the morning. So if we are going to take the bus in the morning, masyadong maliit yung time allowance for us to be able to get here. The travel time, it took us 1.5 hours from Tri Noma to Clark. So dumaan lang siya isang beses, huminto sa SM Clark. So may mga bumaba lang konti, and then the rest of the passengers dito na bumaba. So we paid around 200 to 270 pesos per person doon sa bus. So it's already worth it naman, kasi kung mag-grab kayo or magta-taxi kayo or magva-van kayo, you will be paying more than that. And the bus that we rode is the Genesis bus. So maganda yung bus nila, malamig, presentable, okay naman yung mga upuan, and it's very comfortable. So pinaka-traffic worst is, according to the lady doon sa P2P station, is 2 hours. So if you're going to schedule a flight and dito kayo sa Clark mapupunta, make sure you include yung 2 hours travel from wherever you're going sa Manila, going here sa Clark, Pampanga. Kasi kanina may traffic pero hindi pa masyado. So na-traffic lang kami sa NLEX. And then after that, bandang Bulacan. And then after that, dire-diretso. And we were not even driving that fast. So nakikita ko yung speed ng bus, nasa 50 to 60 kilometers per hour lang. And yet we were able to arrive here 1.5 hours earlier than approximated by the lady doon sa P2P station. So I'll update you soon, and again, welcome to Clark International Airport. Bye! Are now in Shawa View Deck, and we have already started the tour, starting with the south side of the island. So there are 2 types of tours. We have the north side and then the south side. So again, for your information, ito muna yung yung view ng Shawa View Deck. The price would differ from the 2 different parts. So kapag sa north, I think ang price ng tour package is 1,000, and then sa south, which is mas mahaba ang magiging tour, would cost around 1,500. So that's another information that you need to consider when you visit Batanes. And mahangin dito, pero grabe ang ganda. 360 degrees tayo. So these are some of the tourists that are here, and then meron din pababa pa dito, and then this is the part of the highway, and these are the sights that you would be able to see when you go here on this side. So medyo mahaba-haba pa yung tour, madami pang pupuntahan. Gusto ko din makakuha ng still photos ng Basco, which is the traditional Itbayat headdress dito sa Batanes. So sabi nila meron daw kami madadaanan mamaya. So we're taking the south part tour first, which will cost us 1,500. So there is also a lighthouse located on this side sa south, pero ang lighthouse daw nasa north side. Okay, so again, it is very different from other places that you will go to, whether local or international, whether sa ibang bansa o dito. Kakaiba dito sa Batanes. Grabe ang presko ng hangin, hindi ganun kalakas, pero ang sarap. They're going to go down yan sa baba. Hindi pa namin try mamaya, so I'll try to see kung makakakuha tayo ng shots dito. Ang end niya is dito sa part ng beach. Okay. Ang daming pumupunta dito na nagpapakasal, nagbubook, and then according to our host, may mga nakabook na sila ng February next year. So that will give you an idea gano'ng katagal nyo dapat i-prepare bago kayo pumunta dito sa Batanes Island. So again, I'll keep in pwedeng gawin, kagastasan, including kung saan tayo. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga. So, ang sarap. Ang ganda. Paano po ito pronounce? Tayid o Tayid? Tayid. Tayid Lighthouse. Ito po yung kanilang merchandise at souvenirs na pwede nyong mabili pag namasyal kayo